Today is day 15, so I'm thinking we will clear out one physical file, folder, or drawer. So we're behind from the weekend, but we're not going to even worry about it. We're just going to get started this week, and we're going to do as much as possible. So let's take it one step at a time. Today we are clearing out a physical file, folder, or drawer. I truly think going through paperwork is like the worst thing to ever sort. But we're going to knock it out. We're going to get it done. I hope you get some of your paperwork done, or whichever day you're on. I hope you're finding these encouraging. I hope you know that we're in it together. And honestly, some of these days I do not want to do any of this, but I remember that this is what I feel called to do. And I feel called to lead my family in a less cluttered life. And it's part of maintenance. It's part of keeping up and part of just getting it done. So I hope you get it done today. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now. Stay so motivated, so encouraged, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, friends, I'm going to clear out one physical file, folder, or drawer. All right, we're about halfway through.